Hello dear student, welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video we are going to start the next topic which is given in your English grammar book. So in this video we have to learn about the question mark. It is chapter number 20 and in this chapter we have to learn about the uses of question marks. So whenever we use question mark in a sentence. Okay, so student, firstly tell me, have you know about the question mark? So a question is a sentence that asks something. Okay, a question is a sentence that asks something. This sentences end with a question mark. Student, these are the mark of question mark. Okay, and they ask question. So whenever in a sentence you have to see this word what, when, which, who, where. So these all words are related to question marks, and a question mark begin with a capital letter. Student, always remember that a question begin with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Okay, and this is the question mark that you have seen in your screen. Okay student, so let's start the video. So today's video we have to learn about the question mark. For example, there is a sentence says hello, what is your name? So there is a word what. Okay, it is asking question, what is your name? So that time you have to reply that what's your name. And now next is sentence, where do you live? Again we have to find the question word where. Okay, so this sentence is asking question. We have learned that a question is a sentence that asks something. This sentences end with a question mark, they ask question. So student, according to this, let's solve the given exercises which is given in chapter number 20. So here we have to learn take the question. So student, let's start the video. So student, what will we do in this exercise? We have to choose those sentences which have a question mark. Okay, so take the questions. So student, we have to take those sentences who ask question and have a question mark. So in first you can see, which school do you go to? Which school do you go to? So student, tell me, what will we do? We have to take or not? So we have seen that there is a question word which, and here is also a question mark. So we have to take it. Okay, now the second, Tara is eating candy floss. Okay, Tara is eating candy floss. So here is the first letter begin with a capital and with a full stop. So this sentence is not asking questions, so we don't have to take it. Now third, you must eat green vegetables. Here again we have to see this sentence begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So we don't take it. And after that, number 4, is this your school? So what will we do here? So here we can say that there is a first letter is begin with a capital and have a question mark. So we have to tick this box. Okay. And after the third, fourth, there is a number 5. In number 5, there is a sentence, how will you go to Manali? How will you go to Manali? So here student, what will we do? So we have to take it because it has a question word. There is a start with a capital letter and end with a question mark. So we have to take it. Now the number 6, we live in a big house. So it is a simple sentence, so we don't take it. And after that, where is your notebook? So it asking questions, so we have to take it. Number 8, why are they laughing? So we have to take it because there is a questions. And now number 9, my aunt lives in New York. So it is a simple sentence, so we don't take it. And number 10, do you like cricket? So this sentence is asking questions, so we have to take it. Like this, we have to take that sentences who ask questions. Okay, now moving to the next, there is a exercise A, use capital letter, full stop and question marks. So student, we have to do this exercise in notebooks. So let's write down this exercise in notebooks. So here is we have to mention heading, use capital letter, full stop and question mark, and after that we have to write this all given sentences one by one. So in number 1, what is he doing? So we have to write what is he doing. So we have to put a question mark at the last of sentence. Firstly we have to use capital letter in beginning and we have to put a question mark and at the end of sentence. Okay, now the next, he is reading a book. He is reading a book. So student, this sentence is not asking questions, so we have to write it in a simple sentence. Like we have to write H in a capital and after that we have to put a full stop at the end. Okay. Now next third is, in number 3, who is there at the door? So student, here we can see there is a question word who. So we have to put a question mark at the end because this sentence is asking questions. So whenever we have to see the sentence is asking questions, so we have to put a question mark at the end of sentence. So we have to write W in a capital. Okay, we all know whenever we use punctuation, so we have to write first letter in capital and after that we have to put a full stop or question mark. So we have to write in number 3, who is there at door, and number 4 there is a, is this your pet? So again here is a question, so we have to write it like this, is this your pet, and putting a question mark. Number 5, what are you eating? So we have to write what are you eating and putting a question mark at the end because this sentence is also asking question. So now next is number 6, I love vanilla ice cream. So this is the simple sentence, so we have to write first letter in a capital and we have to put a full stop at the end of sentence. Now next, number 7, do you like cupcakes? So we have to write first letter in capital and put a question mark at the end because this sentence is asking question, do you like cupcakes? Now the next, number 8, do you know that boy? So again here is a question word. Okay, so we have to put a question mark at the end of sentence and we have to write first letter in a capital, do you know that boy? Okay, like this we have to complete exercise A in a notebook with a good handwriting. Now after that there is a next exercise B. So what will we do in exercise B? So put this word in order to make questions. One has done for you. So student, here you can see there is a sentence. Okay, firstly we have to put this word in order and after that we have to make a question. So let's see, one has already done for you. So in this example you can see there is a, is that who woman. So we have to write in like this, who is that woman? Okay, so after that we have to put in a question mark. So like this we have to complete this exercise. So let's do it. So here we have to write, put this word in order to make questions. So firstly, is that who woman? So we have to write who is that woman. Okay, now second is calling who. So we have to write who is calling. Firstly we have to arrange this word and after that make a sentence by using the question mark. And after that next is sleeping is Aarti. So we have to write is Aarti sleeping. Fourth is are you late? Why? So we have to write why are you late? Next is who brother your? So we have to write who is your brother? Sixth is are eating what they? So we have to write what they are eating. Next is number 7 is going where Rana? So we have to write where is Rana going? Number 8, do you know him? How you? So we have to write how do you know him? Number 9, your name is what? So we have to write what is your name? Number 10, angry are you? So we have to write are you angry? So student, this is the exercise B. You have to write down in a notebook. Now next is last exercise C. So what will we do in exercise C? So correct this sentences, put capital letter, full stop or question mark. Okay, so we have to rewrite this given sentences by using the correct capital letter, full stop or question mark. So let's do it. So in exercise C, firstly we have to write heading, correct these sentences with capital letter, full stop or question mark, and after that we have to write it. Okay, so in number 1, every year I go to Simla. So it is a simple sentence, so we don't have a question mark at the last, we have to put a full stop. So we have to write every year I go to Simla, and after that we have a put a full stop. Now next is Seema is a professor. So we have to write Seema is a professor. This sentence is not asking questions, so we have to put full stop. Okay. Now third is this your bag? So here is a question word, so we have to write is this your bag, and after that we have a putting a question mark. Now the number 4, your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. So this is a simple sentence, so we have put a full stop. We have put a full stop at the end of sentence. Now number 5, is the food hot? So we have to put a question mark because it is a question mark words. So is the food hot? And after that we have putting a question mark. Now the next number 6, are you her cousin? So we have to write are you her cousin and putting a question mark. Now the number 7, are the boys from your school? So we have write are the boys from your school, and we have to put a question mark at the end of sentence. Now the next, it is raining, so we have to write it is raining and putting a question mark. Now the next, number 9, the weather is pleasant. So we have to write the weather is pleasant. It is a simple sentence, so we have to put a full stop. Now the next, number 10, how is your health? So here is a question. This sentence is asking question, so we have to put a question mark at the end of sentence. So we have to write how is your health and putting a question mark. Okay students, so like this you have to complete your exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting and complete your chapter 20. Okay students, I hope this concept will be clear to you. I hope you all understand that how do we know that any sentences is a simple or question mark. Okay, any sentence is simple sentence or asking some question. Okay students, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, thank you.